This guide will help you set up the installation loop for League of Legends in 2025. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth installation process. Step 1. Download the installer. Visit the official League of Legends website and download the latest game installer. Make sure to choose the correct version for your operating system. Step 2. Run the installer. Locate the downloaded installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to run. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the installation process. Step 3. Choose installation location. During the installation, you will be prompted to select a location on your computer for the game files. Choose a location with sufficient space and click Next to continue. Step 4. Complete installation. Allow the installer to complete the installation process. This may take some time depending on your internet speed and computer performance. Once finished, click Finish to exit the installer. Step 5. Launch the game. After installation, find the League of Legends shortcut on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click it to launch the game and log in with your account credentials to start playing. Following these steps will help you successfully set up League of Legends. Enjoy your gaming experience.